this. That's a nice bass. That is a nice bass. Oh wow. I might have to get a length on this bass. This bass is all of just under 3. It's all of 18 inches.